Many people have not realized that money invested is better than money saved. Growing up, we were told that we should practice savings. So many of us keep our money in the bank, which there's nothing wrong with savings. But you should know the purpose of savings. There are two major reasons why we save money. The first is for investment, and then the second is for emergencies. These are the two major reasons why we save money: for investment and for emergencies. So you should come to the point that the only money that you have in your savings or checkings account is the money for emergencies. And the purpose for this is for easy withdrawal. So money invested is way better than money saved. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 places or 4 areas where you can invest part of your money, and that can help you to grow your net worth really fast. Because the only way to multiply your money is by investment. There's no other way by which you'll be able to multiply your money. The only vehicle is the vehicle of investment. So let's get straight into this. So the first place that I will recommend that you invest part of your money into is real estate. You can do this by acquiring a piece of land, or you can buy a property, and this can help you to build equity. The beautiful thing about real estate is the building of equity, so that you can borrow against your equity, and that can help you to earn massive wealth. Real estate is one of the major and the easiest route to be able to step into millions, even billions. But if you don't have the wherewithal to be able to buy a piece of land or to buy a property, I would encourage that you invest into REIT. REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. So when it comes to REIT, you just invest part of your money into it, and then you receive dividends every month. So the more you invest into, the higher your return. Many people are making money from REIT simply because when you invest into REIT, you receive monthly dividends, and that can help you to pay your rent and other things. So investing part of your money into real estate is one of the best decisions that you can make this year. The second place or area that I would encourage and recommend that you invest part of your money into is to buy insurance. The moment many people hear about insurance, what comes to their mind is that they will be paying monthly premiums, and then they can't enjoy it until they pass on. Then their beneficiaries will have access to all the money that they invested. This life insurance that I'm talking about has living benefit. It's called IUL. I'm going to make a whole video on this, and then I'm going to explain to you why you should invest part of your money into an IUL. Many people don't know that insurance is one of the easiest routes to be able to build wealth. Have you ever wondered where banks keep their money? Now, we invest into banks, and then the banks take our money and loan it out to other people and charge interest rates, sometimes 28%, 29%. I have seen even up to 40%. But the banks themselves, they keep or invest their money into insurance. That is why you always see Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, with any bank at all, because that is where they keep their money. The banks themselves, they invest into insurance, and that is why they tell their customers that in terms of any breach, be rest assured that you are insured. It's simply because of this FDIC. So this year, I'm believing God to be able to host certain people on this channel so that they can explain some of these concepts to you guys, and then you can take advantage of it, and it can be the turning point for you in terms of your finances. The third area that I would recommend that you invest part of your money into is education. You can invest into education by paying for courses to reinvent yourself and to learn new skills. So last year, I think I spent up to $3,000 to invest into a course that I took. And then afterwards, I wrote the exams, I passed, and by God's grace, I was able to receive the certificate. And according to report, those who hold CISA certification or those who are CISA certified, their base salary is $140,000. So I invested $3,000, and now the return on investment, the base is $140,000. So you can know for sure that when you invest into education to educate your mind, to learn new skills, the return on the investment is way better. And that is why I am encouraging you to invest part of your money into education, to learn new skills and then to reinvent yourself, because know that things are changing. Now, artificial intelligence is taking over almost everything, and you must be able to learn these skills so that you'll be relevant in today's age. So, the third place that you can invest your money is education. The last and the final place you can invest part of your money into is in transportation, that you can decide to invest into transportation. Many people have not paid attention to the transport sector. Remember that one of the characteristics of living things is movement. So we move from one place to another. So whoever has the ability to be able to meet this demand, you are going to make a lot of money. And that is why Uber tapped into this reality, and today Uber's net worth is in trillions. But what you can do is that there are companies that are looking for people to invest part of their money into the transport sector. So you don't do anything. Yours is to invest part of your money into these companies, and then you sit back and receive monthly dividends. I came across this opportunity, and the return on investment is so great. So these are the 4 areas that I want to encourage everyone watching to look into and invest part of your money into it. And this can change your financial status for good. I hope this video helps you to get better in some way. Please do all to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and also let me know your investment strategy in the comment section. Thank you so much, and I wish you a prosperous new year. Bye for now.